Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Treelo from Bear in the Big Blue House. Grab your pencils and let's begin. We're going to start off by drawing a nose. So we're just going to draw an oval. And then right on top of this oval, we're going to make a curve that goes downwards. And we can do it rough. Now, right below, we're going to start and we're going to draw a smile. So I'm just going to do a line going up on this side and another one here. And then I'm just going to curve it up a little bit more. And then I'm just going to do a dimple. And now from the corners, I'm going to bring a line down, and from this side one also bring a line down. And there we have Treelo's mouth. And then of course, inside, we're going to draw a little tongue. Now we're going to go up and we're going to draw Treelo's eyes. So I'm just going to draw an eye here, and then on this side we're going to do the same thing. You're just going to go this side and you're just drawing an eye there. And then of course, as we always do, pupils with light reflections. So there's one, smaller one, bigger one, a smaller one. Now right on top, we're going to draw the eyelids. And I'm just going to make it a bit wider, and on this side I'm just going to do this as well. Right, and remember, if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. We're going to fix that later. And then right here on the nose, I'm going to do another reflection as well. Now on the eyes at the back, now what I'm going to do, or let's do the cheek first. I think that's going to be better. Now I'm just going to quickly, very lightly, just make a rough shape. So I think the cheeks will look something like this, and then we're just going to do the jaw. There we go, there's the jaw, maybe a bit narrower, and then from here we can maybe just give a basic shape. So that would be the cheeks. Now that I have that basic shape, I'm going to draw hair, just rough hair going around. Now right between the eyes we have hair standing up as well. And we're just gonna make sort of just a rough shape there. We're gonna change this now, and then on this side by the eye, behind the eyes, we're just gonna draw Treelo's ears. There we go, and there's one ear, and then here. And don't worry, if you make a mistake, you can erase it and do it over, or we can correct it by using our markers a bit later. Right, now the hair, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger now. Maybe something like this. Yeah, about like that. Right, so there's Treelo's face. The next thing we're going to do the body. Now this, I think I'm going to just draw a little line down. I think I'm going to use about the height of the head, just about down to here. And then we just going to draw sort of a tear shape. There we go. Just a tear shape that will give us an outline of a body. Now there's a belly here that we have, and then here around is green, and then of course we're gonna have the chest here as well, and there will be green around there as well. Now that I have this shape, I'm gonna draw in the legs first. Now here in front I want to draw foot, so I'm going to draw sort of a square, but not a bit narrower at the bottom, wider at the top. Now that I have the square, I think I'm going to make it, divide it right there. I'm going to give it a bit of a shape. So there we go, because I want to make a toe. So there we go, one toe, and then right here, and I'm going over my lines, I draw another toe, and then right here a smaller one. You can draw a smaller toe right there. So here I have a basic shape of a foot. I have the leg going out this way, and then from the body here, we're going to see, maybe we're going to draw something like this. So we have the foot going back like this, yeah. Alright, now I'm going to do it a bit better. Now I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw here, going around here, and then probably here I'm going to bring a turn upwards. So there's a leg, folding leg. Now on this side, maybe I'll just draw a line up like this, and then we have that. I'm going to draw the knee, just do it roughly, and don't worry if you make a mistake now. Now here's another foot, so I'll do this rectangle, this strange rectangle here, and then just make a mark there as well, and then I'll just try to draw in some toes as well. There we go, and another toe there as well. As you see, I'm doing it ugly. I don't try to make it beautiful. And here's the belly, and there's the leg. Alright, so we've done that. Now I think I'll just draw the arms going down and another arm here going down. So there we go. I think that's enough. Let's stop there. And now what we can do, you can erase these lines that you don't like, that you think you could have made better, and then you can do it over with a pencil again. I don't erase it, I just go harder with my pencil. So I will just draw some here, I'll draw some here, and here I'll make it nice and round, and I can maybe draw some here, there, and there as well. Right, now below we have a tail, so I'll, which way are we going to curve it? Maybe let's curve it like this. I'm just going to make a line here, so he's got a big tail, but it will go behind him, and maybe like this, and I'll draw the tail here, and this tail of course have stripes on it, yeah, like this, and it goes around like this. Alright, now I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to go over the lines, and I'll try to make it better as I go along as well. So let's start off. I'm going to start with the nose. I'm going to make the nose a little bit bigger. There we go. And then I'll do the light reflection there. Good. Then we're going to do the entire eye with the eyelid. Or let's first just make this line above the nose, and then we're going to go, and I'm going to make it a bit rounder like this. And on this side I'm just going to change it a little bit. I'm changing the shape a little bit. And then of course I'll do my two pupils. Then of course right here I'm going to do an eyelid, and I'm going to try to do it better here as well. Then of course we're going to do the light reflections. Here we go. Then I'm going to fill it in. Now it's time for let's make the smile first. So first we're going to do the little dimples right here. There we go. We're going to draw his beautiful big smile, and of course his open mouth, and then of course the tongue. There we go. Next I'm going to start with the chin. I'm going to draw it up there, and then from here next to the eye I'm going to start with the cheeks. There we go. Connect it, yeah. And then this side. And you see I change it a bit as I go along to hopefully make it a bit better. And then of course our ears. There we go, changing the shape again. There we go, there's one. And I'll change this shape also a little bit. And then of course right on top here, making changes as I go along. I hope it looks a bit better, and then we're gonna go down. So I think this is in front, so let's do the feet first. I'm gonna start with the foot, the farthest furthest off. There we go. And I'm just gonna draw this foot. There we go. And I'm gonna bring this around like this, and then just draw the other toe there, and then of course the last one. There we go. There's the 3 toes. This one should actually be bigger. I made a little mistake there. Then let's do this one. I'm gonna do my, there we go. It's my foot going back. This toe, there we go. And then of course the last toe. There we go. 3 toes, and then I'm going to start here, just going to make this line up, and then I'm going to start right there, and I'm just going to draw his leg right there. I'm going to start here, I'm going to do the chest, there we go, and then the belly. and this side I'm going to do the chest, and then of course the belly right there, and of course then some hair going around. There we go. And then the leg. There's one. You see, I should have brought it out a little bit out like this, and then of course we can just go down and draw his arm there, and I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw the other arm as well, and maybe I'll just do that as well. Good. Now for the tail, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to curve the tail around. I'm going to give it a few little rough edges going around, and then this one will go here, and I think we can make it a bit round like this, and then we're going to give it some stripes as well. Good. Good, perfect. And there's Treelo. Now we can take our erasers, we can erase all the lines when our ink is dry, and then we can color our picture in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.